We are family owned and operated. Everything is baked here in-house. We use the finest quality ingredients that we can get, and everything is baked with love. We feel like every day is a celebration here at Sprinkle Bakery.
It all started in 2018. My wife and I, we used to buy fudge from Sweet Prairie Home, and they had a good products, and the opportunity was in there for us to take over. So we purchased that business and we grew it and expanded and opened up the bakery as well.
So I've been a home-based baker for quite some time, and my dad wanted me to come back home to Oklahoma and had this crazy idea to start a bakery and have our fudge shop all in one location.
Every product is made in small batches. Our fudge is number 9 on top 25 in the nation, and we have won several awards. For the last 3 years in a row, we won the Bethany and surrounding areas Best Fudge.
Best sellers are definitely our cupcakes. I would say Strawberry Fields and Death by Chocolate, followed by fudge, our mini cheesecakes, and our custom cakes. Ooh, personal favorites I think are our mini cheesecakes, and I love the lemon twist cupcake, my favorite.
Chocolate peanut butter, salted caramel, turtle, and we have more than 50 or 60 different flavors that we offer.
Coming from a healthcare background, safety and satisfaction is our #1 goal. We always want to make sure that everything is clean and sanitized, but we also want to make sure that our products are outstanding and phenomenal. So we feel that every day here at Sprinkle Bakery is a celebration. We have lots of fantastic treats for you to try. We have gluten-free and sugar-free options as well. We're located here in Northwest Oklahoma City along Northwest Expressway between Rockwell and Council. We're here till 6 p.m. and we'd love to see you.